that was an intense, exciting intro. So let's hope this video is as intense as the intro, which probably not going to be. It's just front struts. It's Lincoln MKS. This is the 2011. It's a front wheel drive. It does have quick struts, which is really nice. So I don't have to build them or anything, but get these things off, pretty pain. We'll see. 19 millimeter lug nuts. So the thing I'm not going to show you is how to take off the calipers. There's two 18 millimeter bolts. On this back passenger side, or front passenger side, it's extremely hard to get to. I had to use a couple extensions or an extension and different size socket and turn the wheel. The driver's side, you can just get right to it for some reason. But here we go. So we're going to go ahead and we got to remove this. So it's a 21 millimeter tie rod. That off. It's also a 21 millimeter sway bar link. That out. Oh. Okay, you don't have to remove it from the knuckle. So it's just, you just need slack in it. Same with this brake hose. Get that up and out of the way. I think it's gonna be in there pretty tough, so just take a 21 millimeter and get this off of the base of the strut. If we're lucky. Yeah. You will need a front end alignment after this, just so that you're aware. I'm just gonna put all the nuts back on where they go so you don't have any question later where they all go. And then this one's probably gonna be your hardest, is the lower ball joint. We're just gonna tackle this from the back side. Twist it up pretty good. Actually, first I'm gonna take a 32 millimeter, rip off that axle nut. Okay, so it's free. That's good. That's going to help us with this lower ball joint. So this guy right here is a monstrous 24 millimeter. Yeah, I pretty much saw that going to be happening. Okay, all that's finally done. Yay us. So now we're to the really horrible part. See these pop. As you can tell, I did not touch anything on the upper part of the strut. It's still connected. What we're going to be focusing on is getting this down. Spray it down best you can. Try to get it through there. I got the world's weakest air hammer. We'll see if this can do it. There you have it. See, not terrible at all with that. Now we're going to take these 15mm bolts. Nuts! Sorry. This one you're going to need a swivel bit. We're out. Now, if you're going to be using the brand that I have in the description, don't put that on until you remove these little sleeves. I've never seen them do this before. And you got to cut them off too. They don't just come off either. But yeah, they're little plastic sleeves. So you go to put the nut on, it's not going on very far. All right, new struts in. There's really no point in telling you, showing you. It's just push up, line up the 4 holes, get somebody to help you. That's what I do. I always have somebody help me. It's just too much. So I got all the surfaces cleaned off. So really what I want to do is I just want to think about the next guy. What's up, Benny? And then I'm gonna come in here and just... Now that may seem ridiculous, but I don't feel like getting up and getting kind of axle grease or anything. Benny, come here, Benny. Benny. Oh, he's gonna crawl underneath there. He's camera shy today. Usually I can't keep him away from the camera, always sniffing it and licking it. But that's okay. He's camera shy today. Yeah, this is Bentley. It's our new baby. This is baby Bentley. Okay, you can't sit on my lap right now, okay? Get Levins in a minute. I gotta lift this. All right, so how we took it off was taking it off the bottom one first of the strut. So that's kind of how we're gonna put it back together. It's just like doing this, and there not being really any rust. That little fin will slide in between here. You'll know you get it lined up when it's in the center of this fin. Now I'm going to apply some pressure to the lower control arm to put this lower ball joint back in. Oh, sorry about that. Had to use the air hammer and pick up the knuckle back up in the strut is higher up, so the axle will go all the way through. Just now that that's through, lower it, and then start it like that. There we go. See, so now it's on there, so I'll get that tightened up. And next I'll put in the sway bar link. And then the tie, you just put on the tie for tie rod like you did, and then torque this down to factory spec, and then yeah, you're done. So that's how you replace the strut, strut. And put your bolt back. Yeah, put the 3 up top once the car gets on the ground. Torque those bolts down. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe if you can, hit that super thanks button, and me and Bentley will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.